a lot of you guys have heard about the e-commerce platform called Jumia, or maybe you've heard about Konga, or you've heard about Gigi. Of course, maybe the most important thing that you need to know about this platform is to know that even though you are placing orders on this platform, this is how you can make money. You don't work for these companies, you don't know anybody in the company, but you are making money from this company. Okay, not as a registered agent or something like that. You don't even need to go through protocol. So I'm going to share with you. Okay, I'm 18-year-old, how I am making 5,000 naira every week from this platform. So what do I do? These platforms are called e-commerce platform. But I know that I have some friends, okay, that they want to place orders on this platform, but they are afraid of putting their money on this platform. So what do? I tell them, look, I have money on my account. I'm going to place orders for you. When I deliver them, you pay me the money that you want to plant on the farm. Okay. Some people are very, very afraid. Okay, they cannot part with their money, and it's very bad if you have the mindset of thinking that your money is going to go. Okay, you need to understand that you find a way to build credibility and trust. So I let these people come to trust me. I tell them, look, pay me the money. Okay, I'm going to place these orders for you on this platform. So when they pay me the money, I order the item for them, and then when I deliver it to them, they pay me my commission. I'm telling you, very simple, and I make sure that they pay me 5%, 10%, no matter the price of whatever item that they are placing. Okay, this is one way I make money. This is how I accumulate 5,000 naira every week as a teenager, and it's something that you can practice. Find out your friends, tell them about Jumia, tell them about Gigi. Of course, they'll tell you, oh, those guys are fraudsters, those guys are this, those guys are that. The last time I tried, my money went away. No, tell them, look, you can trust me. Just give me the money, okay? Or I'm going to place order for you. When the item arrives, I will show you, and you pay me the money. You sign an agreement. Very, very simple. You do not need money to make and start a business. You do not need money to own and have businesses. You do not need money, okay, to make money. You just need to have an idea. You need to find out someone that has the money, someone that has what they're looking for, and connect them. This is how to make money. It is this secret that I needed to understand as an 18-year-old, that although I did not have money in my pocket, but since I had the knowledge, I understood these things. That was how I made money as a student. And that was how I had extra support to myself. So wherever you are, if you can encourage and understand these things that I'm sharing with you right now, look, you will always have money, okay? Of course, not every time that you have clients, but you have to know that this mindset is the mindset of knowing that everything is possible. Do not be like those friends of mine, okay, that tell me that they are very afraid, that they don't want to lose their money or anything. It is very important that you understand how money works. Speak the language of money, and money always comes to you. So I hope that this strikes a bell, and that in everything that you do, you find good success. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace.